All right, guys. Woo, here we are. I don't know if I'm smart or just stupid. It's about 37 degrees. Wind's out of the west, about 20 miles an hour. It's cold. Average highs are supposed to be around 55, 60 degrees this time of year in Iowa. Got a tournament tomorrow, so that's why I'm out here. Going to be the similar weather conditions for tomorrow too, so we're going to go out and scout around, mark some spots, see if we can find some fish on them, and kind of trying to stay warm. We're going to maybe find a few. This lake's got potential for a 30-pound bag, so I don't see that happening with these weather conditions, but it's definitely possible. So if we can develop a pattern and carry it on in tomorrow and see what we can do. Nice little chunks off the rocks. Finally got to a spot out of the wind here. Still cold. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like 36, 37 degrees. Better get out of the way here. What I'm gonna end up doing tomorrow, just throwing a square bill crankbait around. It's gonna be hard to do anything dexterity wise because the hands are gonna be so cold, so we're gonna try that. Just chuck and wind. I found a spot where the water temps were a little bit warmer than the rest of the lake, so hopefully we draw a good number. And I'll go to that spot first thing in the morning. We're gonna finish the day here along this stretch and work my way back to the boat ramp. See if we can't pick off a few more. They're wanting it, boys. Not a big one. 14-inch. He keep. Throwing it old school. Got this bait from a family friend. This guy absolutely thumped this bait. It's a good fish. About that one. It's probably 3.5 pound range. Let's weigh it real quick. Right at 4 pounds. It's a good one. Ended up catching a really good one today. I don't know if I don't know if that pattern's gonna work tomorrow, but that's what we're gonna go with. It's no secret, you know, it's fall time. Crankbaits, jerkbaits, you know, basics. Just throwing crankbait, dragging it across some rocks. 4 pounder just came up and smoked it. I mean, he hit it hard. Definitely wanted to eat it, so I don't know if it was the color, if it just happened to be the right time, the right place. I don't know, but I think there's enough of that stuff in that lake that I can throw at, and that similar type targets. I think if I do that all day, I might scratch up a decent limit. So we're gonna go with that, and if it pans out, it pans out. If not, so be it. So spent most of the day cruising around trying to find some warmer water. I saw water temps anywhere from 55 degrees all the way up to 57, almost 58 degrees. So I'm definitely going to stay where the water's the warmest. That's for sure. And so that basically rules out half the lake. So that makes it a little easier. I know where I'm going to stay. I just need to find a similar type of structure I was throwing at today for tomorrow, and we'll go from there. It's been a great year. It's been a good tournament season. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do over the winter as far as content. I used to ice fish. I don't anymore. Maybe we'll do some ice fishing. Give me some comments below on what you guys want to see throughout the winter. It's going to be hard to come up with some stuff, so I don't know. I thought about dabbling in a little bit of lure making, so if you guys are interested in seeing some of that, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a heck of a ride this year. Already surpassed the old YouTube goal. Couldn't be happier. I didn't think I'd ever even get to 100, so all thanks to you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.